So this is another Hess's Law problem. We're trying to find this reaction, calculate in kilojoules using these two given reactions. So what I like to do is I like to write the reaction I want, because I know I'm going to add the other two in some fashion to get this reaction. And then I look and I see, do I need to rearrange a reaction because the reactant should be a product, or vice versa. So I look at this first one. It says 2CO. Well, the CO is a reactant. The CO is a reactant here, so I'm going to keep it right in the same way. I'm not going to reverse the reaction at all for that one. So we'll say, but I do want to multiply it by half, because when I end up at this CO, I want it to be 1, and it's 2 here. So I'm going to multiply that whole reaction by a half. So CO plus 1/2 O2, and these should have their states, yields 1 CO2, so half of all of those, and that means I have to do 1/2 of the delta H. Then I look at the next reaction, and the copper solid is a reactant here, and it's a product here, so I have to reverse the direction, and I have 2 up here, and I have 1 down here, so I have to multiply that by half. So I'm going to reverse that reaction, so the product is going to be the reactant, and I'm going to multiply it by a half. So CuO solid yields, because I'm going backwards on this one, Cu solid, half of that one, and then half of the O2, plus 1/2 O2 gas. And I have to change the sign on this, so it has to be plus 311 since I reversed it, and I have to multiply it by a half. And now, when I add these, this half O2 cancels that half O2, and I have everything that I want. I have CO gas, CuO solid, CO2 gas, Cu solid. I'll add these up, and when you do that, you should get minus 127. So this would become minus 283, and this becomes plus 156.5, and that becomes minus 127.5 kilojoules.